Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing these wheels on the truck. Put a lot of work into these. Yeah, these rims did not look nothing close to what they look like now. Now they're actually chrome and shiny. This is after sanding it and polishing it. Yeah, definitely looks really good. Yeah, it's probably not perfect. Probably still stuff in there, but it looks very, very good. It is good enough for my truck at least. These look so much better than when I first got them. When I first got them, which I'll throw a picture up right now. Yeah, they look very terrible. They look bad. I mean, they were sitting in Pull Apart. I got these from Pull Apart. This was like $200, and I threw on my tires for my truck, and I bought 2 new tires. Well, not new tires, but they're new to me. Tires from Pull Apart. Got a lot of thread on them. I don't know exactly. I didn't measure it, but yeah, there's no cracks, nothing. So can't go wrong with it. I think I got those 2 tires for like $50. Again, not too bad. But yeah, I first sanded them down with a 600. Throw that picture up right now. And then after that, I sanded them down with a 2000. And then once I did that, I started polishing them at my job. I went to work. I used the Mother's polishing cream, and that stuff definitely works magic, because these things, like I said, I'm gonna be throwing pictures up. These things did not look nothing as close to what it looks like now. So I can see my reflection now. Yeah, before it was like a, how you say, like a brushed aluminum, whatever that is. I did not look nothing like this. It looked like matte. I had the brake dust all built up on it. It's been sitting at the pull apart for forever. For I don't know how long, but yeah, I seen these and I was like, yeah, I need these for the truck ASAP. So my truck right now, it has the stock wheels, so I want to make it look nice now that I have it, my truck painted and everything. So yeah, these are definitely gonna add this is definitely gonna increase the value of the truck, and it's gonna make it look much better. So yeah, I'm very excited to throw these on, man. These are gonna transform the truck, like absolutely transform it for sure. So yeah, I'll pick it up once I start throwing these on. Alright, so it's the second coat of chrome. Probably gonna do one more coat, but it's actually starting to show like it's actually chrome now. Yeah, these are looking a lot better for sure. Much better. Yeah, I'm gonna throw in a picture of these, but I'm gonna actually throw a picture of these before, how they looked. This is how they look. So yeah, definitely looking good. Cannot wait to install these on the rims, install the rims on the truck. It's gonna look good. Alright, so this is how it looks before. Alright. Alright, so this is how it looks before. Alright, this is the truck now. Got the wheels on. Looking good for sure. Definitely good enough for sure. Oh yeah, definitely is good. I'm gonna be polishing up the rims one more time, just shine a little bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna get the truck a little wash. It's gonna be looking good for sure.